5 days training program on structured health monitoring from fundamentals to field implementation. So I hope you all enjoyed these 5 days to learn a lot about the fundamentals of structured health monitoring and then the latest advancements and the AI technology to be used in structured health monitoring. So the feedback says the program is good and it is well received by the participants. I sincerely thank all the participants for taking the time and effort to be part of this training program, and which gives us sort of motivation and inspirations to conduct similar programs in future. So without participation, no programs be succeeded. So this program, it's something very special to us. But Professor Nisha and I, we planned it in a very short notice during the David's visit. So honestly, we did not expect 25. So it was a good number, and we were overwhelmed with the responses that we are getting. So especially the people from different parts of India. So I thank the Hindi people and listening to come all the way from Sri Lanka, and research scholars and faculty members from different private institutes and places and so on. And we I wish that we meet frequently in similar programs here in NIT Trichy or elsewhere. So we will be sharing any updates that will be happening in NIT Trichy. So now on you will be added to the mail list. So you will get all the updates and happenings of the institute. So please do support this. And I thank HOD for giving all guidance and mentorship to run this show successfully without any hindrance. Whatever it comes, when I go to him, it gets clear. And Professor Nisha for giving full freedom and accepting all the thoughts and suggestions that we discussed. And Professor Devi, thank you so much for accommodating everything in all aspects and supporting us and staying with us whole day for all 5 days. So it would have been hard for you, but I hope you really enjoyed it. And last fact thing, so you guys managed 2 days engaging the participants very well, and especially for people from industry, they could not sit in the long lectures for 3 full days, but they really enjoyed these 2 days because they get some time to roam around and field visits and then in hands-on training. So thank you so much for keeping our participants so engaged and providing the hands-on training. And last but not least, without my students and my scholars, this program would have not been managed well or organized. So I thank all my students. I cannot name in all this name. So I thank all my students, PhD students, master students and special students for providing the support to organize the event from day 1 to now. And few of the scholars who are involved in this since last 1 month. Thank you so much for your support and everything. And special thanks to Tushar, Hitesh, Siola, Harigautam, Sandhya, Jagandas for making all the arrangements, and Hiram to be here all the time, reaching here at the department by 8:30 and leaving the department by 6. Thank you so much. So with this, we are concluding this 5 days training program. So I'll see you soon when we meet in the next program. Thank you. Thank you all.